everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is really dry, but not for long because I'm going to be showing you guys what I did. So let's go straight into the video. You need for this DIY is your avocado. I already went ahead to take it out of the shell. You need shea butter. This is the one I'm using, and you need an egg. What I'll go ahead to do is I'm going to break everything and mix. So right now I'm going ahead to apply the marks on my hair. Sorry, I put it down there, that's why I keep looking down. So I'm going to coat my hair, everything with it. Okay, right now I'll go ahead and go to the salon because I don't have a dryer, and put my hair in the dryer for about 15 to 30 minutes, and I'll wash it and I'll show you guys the finished results. Before I go to put my hair in the dryer, I'm going to use this. It's called a leather bag or a nylon bag to cover my hair. First of all, I'll wrap my hair around, and then I'll use this. Okay guys, under the dryer, I'll sit there for 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'll wash the hair. And this is what the hair looks like after it has been blow dried. I'm seeing some split ends, but I'm going to trim the hair very soon. Bye.